Hi, I'm John Cooper, a personal injury attorney, and I'm here with my paralegal, Stephanie Adams, and we're here to talk to you about 4 dirty tricks that the insurance companies will try to play on you if you've been hurt in an automobile accident. Stephanie, what is one of the things that you think insurance companies will say and do to try to hurt a person who's already been hurt in a car wreck?
Well, you know, John, what I've seen over the past 2.5 years that I've got to work with you is that a lot of times the insurance company will tell the clients, oh, hey, you don't need an attorney. Let's handle this together, just you and I.
And you know, that's the oldest trick in the book. The last thing the insurance company wants is for you to go to an attorney. By the way, if you call us, there's no obligation. You can talk to us for free without hiring us. And if you want to hire us, that's great. If not, we'll point you in the right direction and tell you what we do. We require no money up front. The initial consultation is free. So the second dirty trick that I think is often played is the recorded statement. The insurance company for the at-fault driver calls you and they say, hey, give us a recorded statement, right? And we hear that all the time.
Exactly.
And we always try to make sure that our clients know in our first conversation with them that they have no obligation to give a recorded statement to the other side. The problem is that, you know, you're in pain, you may be on medications that the emergency room has given you, and they're going to ask you a bunch of tricky questions that are going to try to suit their purposes and get you to say something maybe that you didn't mean, or answer something that you hadn't really thought about thoroughly, and then they've got you on the record saying something that they think will help them against you in your case. Hey, Stephanie, what's the third dirty trick that they try to pull?
You know, generally, insurance companies, more often than not, will try to get the clients to settle right away. I mean, within days of the accident, they'll call in and say, hey, let's give you $500, you sign this release, let's get this thing done and settled.
That is so true. And every time that we talk to folks who've been in a really serious wreck, it's amazing to me that the insurance companies think that they can get away with just offering people a few dollars and that they're going to be, quite frankly, foolish enough to sign away their rights. Because as you and I know, when we sit down with the clients at the end of the case and they sign a release, that's it forever and ever. There's no coming back to the insurance company or the at-fault driver. So you don't want to ever take a little bit of money before you even know what's wrong with you. So we, as your attorneys, will make sure that you're either 100% well or as good as you're going to get before we let you settle with the insurance company. You've got 2 years in Virginia to resolve your case. Most cases don't take that long, but never just accept the first initial offer. The other thing that insurance companies try to do is they will try to string you along, trying to get you not to take, they say, oh, you don't want to take the $500, well, just don't go to the lawyer, you know, I'll call you in a week and see how you're doing, and so on. And sometimes they'll be very, very nice to you. They'll think, hey, this person's on my side, it's fine, I know Geico, I know Allstate, they're my insurance carrier too. Well, they are not on your side, and often what they'll do is to string you along until it's too late for you to get an attorney who's going to really be able to help you on the case. For instance, if you go to the emergency room and then you go weeks and weeks without seeing a doctor, and the insurance lady or guy is saying, oh, it's okay, just let us know how you're doing, we'll take care of you in the end, and then they know that if you wait 2 or 3 weeks before going back to the doctor, they're going to use that against you. They've just strung you along and caused your case to become much weaker. If you talk to me, I'm going to tell you, go ahead and see a doctor if you need to see a doctor, and do so as soon as possible. So with that said, don't get trapped by the insurance company and their dirty tricks. Call a good personal injury attorney. Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers would love to help you. Thank you.